come right there, sir. So this is like one apartment right here, sir. This is like one, 2-bedroom, living room, 2 bathroom. Right? Then this are the balcony between the two. Right? This are the balcony between the two. So this is another set of 2-bedroom. So that's 1 apartment, 2 apartments. Okay. And then we have another apartment down here, so too. Yeah. Chef, I added the cooking.
Yes.
I added the cooking.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir.
Yes.
So this is the downstairs apartment. This is the living room.
Mm-hmm.
This is one of the biggest apartments we're gonna have.
Okay.
The bottom one. So this is the living room. This is the one of the bedroom. And
So this is like a bedroom.
this is 2-bedroom,
Two
but this is
bedroom.
a monster bedroom.
Okay.
This is a really big bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one is a really big bedroom. Yeah, these are the steel that we have to put
Yeah,
because
yeah.
we have got 3, right?
For the columns.
So these are 1-inch steel. Yeah. So for these, we dig these.
Yeah.
These are like 5 feet by 5 feet column.
Okay.
Yeah. So how big these column are?
Yeah, we see one for
Yeah. So these are big column. So this is like one.
So where you old man?
Oh, down a little down the block.
down.
Yeah, just right here. You can just walk. Yeah, it's
Oh,
not far
okay.
from here. And then this guy have the apartment, the rental. Yeah. Yeah. So this is one bedroom right here, and then this is another bedroom on this side. This is 2 bathroom.
Okay.
So it's gonna be 2 bathroom back to back. We're gonna use ply to part it because you see the ceiling is so high.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put like a ceiling. Cause this is like over 12 feet.
Yeah, we see.
Yeah, so we're just gonna do sheetrock. You see, we're just gonna put them on the bottom there.
Yeah.
That's so high.
Yeah,
And yeah, so this is gonna be the hallway,
Mm-hmm.
2 bathroom, and then this is another bedroom on this side.
Mm-hmm.
It's a smaller bedroom, but this is one more bedroom on this side.
Okay.
So you see the wall, you see the column, right? And so this is like 1 apartment under here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And
Looking good.
So we're gonna do. So now we have 3 more on top, and we're gonna do 4 more on top of that 3.
All right.
Yeah, 4 more on top of that. So this is one of the.
Oh, see, look them, man.
Yeah.
No, yeah, sure, say
Yeah. So I'm gonna cook.
Yeah, soup, no.
I'm gonna cook
so
rice.
Cook zero.
And oh yeah, cook chicken and stuff, eh?
Yeah, going through chicken.
Going through chicken.
And curry chicken.
Oh, 2 cents.
We got curry chicken here. Oh yeah, cook dumpling as well.
Yeah.
Dumpling. So this.
Yeah, it's me.
So even this wall now, you have to do this wall to back anything from coming to this section right here.
This one, I
Yeah, so I make this. So I just left it, leave it like this now, because I just want to.
do over here.
It's another guy. So all of this is mine thing. So this is, we're gonna put the pitch right here.
Yes, me.
Storeroom too. Let's see exactly what come on. Let me try the bag. Alright, but look, right? So right here, so we're gonna put the tank. So we're gonna have a tank.
Yeah.
A tank right here. So all of this is gonna be a tank.
Right above.
Yeah, with the pump.
Okay.
So we're gonna have the pump, the access to the pump on that side.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a big tank. You know they used to put plastic tank and stuff. Right, so this is gonna be the tank, right? So we're gonna dig it out a little bit more, right? And then we treat that wall Then we lay the block next to that, and then we concrete between it, right?
Okay.
So then we're gonna have tank and have a pump that pump the water. Okay, it's gonna be far, so you're gonna need
Yeah,
pump,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So instead of using a plastic tank, this can give you 100 more than 100
You
times
got a
more
big
than.
tank?
Yeah. For now, all of this is gonna be tank. The entire length of this. The entire length. I'm gonna dig off a little bit more. Gonna be a tank. So it's gonna be a built-in tank for the entire thing.
Okay.
Yeah, so gonna built-in tank with pump. So you need a pump to bring the water out, right?
Okay.
So then inside here now. See all the dripping from the decking. So this is so this is gonna be the living room. This living room right here. 2 bedroom to this left hand side. And then the partition between these apartments right here. So the partition between these apartments right here. This partition. Alright? Alright, so and then this is another apartment on this side.
So those things where they are inside the car, are they taking something now?
Yeah, this is gonna go on this side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, on this side, yeah, it's gonna go on this side, yeah. Gonna go on this side, yeah. The column gonna splice with all of the other additional column. So this is another one. So when they pull these down next week, they just come on this side.
Okay, so they might done this side.
Yes.
And then move to this side.
Yeah, move to this side next week. Can I start to put up the backboard already? The backboard already. Some of these going up already. So then this side, if you look at it, so this is 1 bedroom. 1 bedroom to this side, right here. And then this is the bathroom. Yeah, so we're gonna use sheetrock. Sheetrock to the partition. So with 1 bathroom, 1 bathroom right here.
What do you call it? Waterproof.
Yes,
Waterproof.
waterproof. Right. So then this now is another bedroom on this side.
Okay.
So you have a bedroom to the front. Right here. And then you have a window cut out right here. So you have a window. Like a window cut out right here. And then this is additional bedroom to this side. Right. And then this is a passageway and so on and so forth. You put some of these stuff too close, I think you have to brush them back a little bit. Yeah. And then this is the living room and the kitchen at the back. So you're gonna have a kitchen at the back on that side. Then you have this is a total kitchen, but you can walk through the kitchen to your patio. Yeah, have a patio. And it's by itself. So this is the kitchen that's gonna be the living room. So nobody can come on your patio.
Yeah.
Okay. So you see you have a patio by yourself. So each of these have a patio by themselves, and then you're gonna put a railing right here. So set it up. Yeah, so this is your own patio, you know. Own back.
Don't stop.
Yeah. Your own backyard. At first I was gonna put a stairs at the back too, right? Yeah, but the problem is that you don't want to have so much entrance that other people can enter. And so I was like, you know what, just a front entrance only. Yeah, front and back, somebody else can come and enter at the back. You don't even know who's coming at your back. Yeah. So we just leave it like that. Yeah. So we take the stairs off of the back. But I'm gonna have a stairs to the roof anywhere, so we can go on the roof. But I want to put the stairs on the roadside so you can go to the roof. Yeah, so you definitely can go to the roof. And all of this pipe are for the waste coming down. So I don't want any pipe on the outside of the building. Okay. So all the pipe are gonna run into the column. Because we have big enough column. Okay. So all the pipe are gonna run into the column. Okay. Yeah, there's an electrical outlet right there. So yes, so the ceiling is very high. So we have the option of just doing like the ply, as opposed to just rendering it and stuff like that. So it's a very high ceiling. So I can do that. Then you have 1 window at the front here. Then this is a passageway, right? So when you come to the first floor, you walk on this passageway. But you, for the first floor, cannot go on the second floor passageway unless you go the other way. You see, that's a step for the for the second floor. Yeah. So if you live on the first, you can walk, come across, and come to your other person. Have one right here. Yeah, that's what I envision it. But this is gonna be covered off, so you can walk on it, So the tank gonna level, you can just walk. You can walk across. Yeah. And then that's gonna be step down. You step down into it, but this is gonna be the tank.
So you're stealing that?
Yeah, man. All of those are my steel. Yeah. That's for this side.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like 2 ton of steel. These are make already, so they just put these and splice those things on top there. Yeah. and then the tank come up to here. Probably, you know, probably the furthest we're gonna bring it to. Because that's a big tank, you know, that can. And a lot, yeah. So that's so we're gonna do it. Yeah. That way I go. Yeah.
Come on, big paddle. Massive. Right, yeah.
Yo, me talk to David. David said, white drum if you care for you. Yeah, that's what David said. You need white drum. Yeah.
Yeah, got it. All right, darling.
Yeah, me tell her, yeah, if it didn't get, yeah. It didn't. Site manager priest. Yeah. We gotta transplant it to someplace else.
Where?
We can't dig it out and plant it someplace else.
Bring her back?
Yeah. I think it have to be close to the wall.
Yeah, man. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. John jump grass.
Eh, not do it yet. When the work done, you do it. Don't try.
We have a nice one that's good.
Yeah, it's like 20. Yeah, it's like 20 feet, 15 feet across.
We have a joke is a blood please done my youth.
Yeah.
So we just cast out the whole like back on the level.
Yeah. And put a step up for the stairs.
So we all do the water. Take the water from our roof 2 nights.
We're gonna come down in the thing. I don't think we're gonna put it in the tank, right? Have to come a
down.
different storage, yeah.
And then we use the pipe water for the tank.
Exactly.
No, we don't know. So wait, 20.